Hello everyone, welcome in the video lecture 5.2. In this video we are going to learn about the string functions. Right, we are going to learn about the Python string functions. Let's start. Python provides lot of built-in functions related with the string operations. So some functions we are going to discuss here. First of all, we have function upper and lower. Right, the upper functions converts string into uppercase and return the string. We have to understand here, the original string will not be converted into uppercase, but a new string will be generated with uppercase. So upper function and lower function both create a new string with the uppercase or lowercase characters, and we can find the output like this. Example you can see. First of all, syntax is a string. We have to string dot upper. This function will not take any argument, but it will associate the string value with the help of membership operator dot. Now in example you can see print as dot upper as is hello, and as dot upper will output hello in this way, and as dot lower will output hello in completely lowercase. But remember here, as is being not changed, as will be as it is, first letter capital, rest small. It will create another copy. So let us see with the help of example. For example, str1 equal to Python. If I'm writing here print str1 dot upper in a small letter, and this is parenthesis function sign, right? And if I am printing here again only str1, so let us see the output what comes. So you can see output is coming Python for the first conversion and Python as it is for the next statement. It means this string, this variable is not changed, but one copy of the what happened, upper function will convert the string into complete uppercase, and one copy will be generated, and that copy we are printing here. So we can do also one thing here, we can hold in some variable. For example, text1 equal to str1 dot upper. So now we can print here text1. Okay, in the same way lower also will be doing the same, but will convert everything into lowercase. Understood? So please keep in mind. Now find and index, these two functions we are going to discuss. Both methods are used to find the position of substring within the string. Find will return -1 if not found. Means find function will return -1 if the substring is not found in the string, while index will raise an error if substring is not found. Substring means exact match of substring in the main string. For example, please understand about the syntax. String dot find substr means string is the main string, str is the main string, dot find and then substr, right? Substring which you want to search. Example is given as hello world. If you are finding your word, then it will return the position 7. From 7th index value it started finding exact match. But in the same way index also returning 7. But if what happened, if word is not present, then this as dot find will return what? Will return -1, and index will throw error. So let us take one example. Python is easy to learn, and if I am printing here whatever program I am doing with the help of print statement directly, you can hold the value in the variable and can print the value separately, right? So str dot find, what do you want to find? Either you give the variable here or direct value easy. I want to find easy, whether it is present or not. So let us check. It is present at index value 10, right? How 10? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? It should be exact match. If it is easy 1, that is not exact match, it will return -1, right? because it is not found. And in the same way, if you use index here, index will return will throw error. Index will throw error if it is not found, but if it is found, again it will return the position of that substring 10, right? Now, but let us understand how to use this thing, how to check whether it is found or not. So if you want to find the index value where it is found, then you can directly hold the value in the variable. But if it is not found, then what will you do? So let us do one more example. If str1 dot find easy is more than equal to 0, means not -1, not -1. If it is not found, then it will return only -1, right? And if it is more than equal to 0, means any value if it is returning or 0, then string found, substring found, otherwise not found. So it depends on your programming skill, whatever program you want to make using these functions. So I'm just telling for that purpose, in different way how we can utilize it. Substring found, and if I am giving easy 1, this is not available, so not found, right? But if I am writing here index, then if it is not found, it will throw error. It will not go to this else condition, because it is throwing immediate error. Then what we can do here, we can use here exception handling concept. The exception handling concept will be useful here. So which error is it? It is throwing value error. So we can copy this name of error and we can put the same thing into exception try, and put all the statements on the try, and there is no use of this, right? So we directly use here except, sorry, it will be small, try except value error, then print not found. Now it is coming properly, not found. It will not throw error if it is not found, and if it is found, it will be simply giving proper message substring found, right? So this is a good way if you want to skip unnecessary error displaying on the screen, because user don't understand what are the errors are here, right? So we can use this method. Next we have a strip function. Strip method is used to remove the leading and trailing spaces from the string, right? This function is used to remove string, means extra space if it is available left hand side or right hand side. Then this method is used to remove space, and this is very important method. What happens when user is going to enter some value at the time of user input? Maybe by mistake user may enter some space, and that space can create problem. So to avoid those problem, we can use this strip method, which will remove extra space from the string. For example, let us understand. We are making a program in which user is going to enter some numeric value, and we have to calculate that numeric value. For example, we have to calculate the square of entered number. So for that, suppose num equal to input, right? Enter a number, right? And now if I am just converting it into the numeric format, again num equal to int, we can pass num, because you know it is dynamic allocation is available in the Python. Now the value of num will be reallocated with the numeric value. This int function will convert the value entered by the user into numeric format, because the input function will be return only in the form of string. Now print num into num. This will work fine, right? If you are entering 5, 25 is coming, but what will happen, by mistake I am entering space 5, again 25 is coming, and by mistake again if I am writing 5 space 2. Right now Python is automatically using this technique. Python is automatically removing extra spaces, right? So that is why it is not showing error, because it is the latest version of Python 3.12 which is avoiding space after the given value. But what will happen in that case, if by default, if by mistake user is entering is sorry, but if user is entering by mistake space, then we can use the function num dot strike. Then it will do what? It will remove space from left and right hand side, and then will display the value, right? Now next we have replace. This method is used to replace a substring with another substring. Syntax we can say string is the main string, replace new string with new string. Whatever word you want to replace with new word, that we have to provide here. So now in this example we can say s equal to hello world. S is a string and replace world with the Python. Okay, then it will give the hello Python in the place of hello world. It will display hello Python. Next statement we have line Ravi is good. Ravi is a student. 2 times Ravi is there. So we want to replace Ravi with Sumit. So line is a string which is holding complete line. Replace Ravi with Sumit, and new line is there, right? What happens if Ravi is not found? If Ravi is not found, then it will not be replaced. Let us understand with the help of example. Again, line equal to Amit is good, Amit is export. 2 times Amit is given. Now what we can do here, print, not print directly, I am writing line dot replace function. Replace what? Replace Amit with Sunil, right? Now I am printing line once again, the same variable. Now Amit is good, Amit is expert. It is replaced, not replaced. Why? Because we are printing line. What happened? It is not going to replace in the same string, because string is immutable. Always remember, string is immutable, so we cannot change the value of a string directly. We can hold a new string, new str equal to line, so new str. So we have to hold the replaced value as a new string, and then we will find it. So Sunil is good, Sunil is expert. This is very important to keep in mind. String is immutable, so we cannot modify directly into string. Every time whatever updates we are doing in the string, it will be creating a new copy of the string with the updated value. Now we have to check if Amit1 is not found, then it will replace or not. Amit is good, Amit is expert. So you can see it is not updated, it is not replaced. Why? Because the value is not found. So if value is matched, found, it will replace, otherwise it will not replace. Now next we have here split function. A split function is also very good function in string, which is used to split the string value, and the splitted value will be converted in the form of list. Automatically a list of splitted words will be created in the Python. So by default, first of all let us check the syntax. Syntax is string dot split function, and then we have to pass delimiter, right? If we are not passing delimiter, then by default we can pass a space. So if a space is given by default, then Python is fun. In between we have two spaces, then Python is fun. Then this single string will be converted into three strings. Python is fun in three words, and these words will be converted in the form of list. So you can say a list of strings will be generated. In the same way, if we have a Python comma is comma fun, means if any delimiter is there, like comma, like any special symbol is also given. If you want to split on the basis of that special symbol, if you want to split on the basis of any particular character, then you can put here as a delimiter. So as dot split will split on the basis of comma. So Python is fun, right? For example, if I am passing here in the place of this comma o, so pyth o will be one word, pyth will be one word, then and is means wherever next time it will happen, next word will be given. Let us understand with the help of one example. In the same example, we can use line split function. So by default, if I am writing a split and we have to pass here one argument and there is no argument, there is no space also, then empty separator is not allowed, right? We have to give any single value as a space by default. So we can see we got the list of string, right? Each word of the string is separated as a single element of the list. Now I was talking, if I am writing the place of this space, I am putting here O. Press F5. So we can see Amit is G. After G, O is there, then single O, and then this is one complete element because there is no another O. So wherever that character will be found, on the basis of that character it will split complete string, right? So this is very good program. And if you put here dot, so we have only one dot here, so it will be providing us automatically two separate element. Amit is good, Amit is expert. So this split function is very useful while we are going to learn the concept of file handling, where we read entire file together and we can split complete statement or complete text into single word for searching something into that text, right? So split function is very useful. Now we have join function. Join function is little bit different function. It is not working as a normal concatenate function. It does what? This method joins a list of strings into a single string. Point to be noted, it joins a list of strings into a single string. So let us understand the example first of all. Syntax is string, then replace is wrong here, it will be join, str join str, then new str. This syntax is wrong, it will be string join with second string. The first string we have string 2, which is this asterisk symbol, and join str1, which is having Delhi. So it means each character of Delhi, each character of string 1 will be joined by this single character of string 2. This is the beauty of this function. Each character of the variable value which is passed inside of join function will be concatenated by each time this character. So this is kind of multiplication type of thing, right? And if you are joining a list in the same way with this space, then this Python is fun will be joined with the help of single space. So let us understand with the help of example. So example we have here, like here we have Amit. So I am taking a small word Amit, then we can take join. So here we have to pass inside of join line is holding Amit, and here we can give second string with which we want to join each character of the Amit. So let us see the output. So now you can see AMIT means whatever character, each character of this line is concatenated with single time this one, right? So this is very important. If you are writing here, suppose if I'm writing here Delhi, then see what will happen. A Delhi, I Delhi, M Delhi, like this. It is joining single vector with the complete this word. And if I'm writing here suppose plus 3 times plus, then each character will be joined with 3 times plus, AMIT. So hope understood. But in the same way, if you are joining with the list, if it is list, for example we have Amit, Sumit, because these are the single element. In list these are the single element, and in string each character is working as an element. That is why Amit, Sumit, Ravi. So if I am trying to join with the help of plus symbol single time, then you can see Amit plus Sumit plus Ravi. So this, because of list, this is a single element, and if it is not list, then this is string, then what happened, this single character will be single element. Understood? Thank you for watching this video. Some more functions are available with the string, which we are going to discuss in the next video, 5.2 lecture. Thank you for watching the lecture 5.1. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video we are going to discuss some more functions. Thank you.